So I was tired of this carpet moving, and I've tried some of those strips and the tape and some other crap. None of it works. So I'm going to try this. It says extreme tack, creates dots of glue. The online review said it's almost like that glue that comes with your credit card with that paper stuck to it. So I'm going to try it. It says apply glue to item being attached to another surface, let dry 8 hours. Tack it onto your project and enjoy. So I'm going to put some in each corner and then a little bit in the middle and then let you see it. Okay, it's been overnight. Oh yeah, that's tacky. Kind of hear it. So I end up putting some in the middle too, at each edge. So let's slap it on the floor and see what it'll do. There it is, stuck down. You can see if I move on it real hard, it moves a little bit, but for the most part, for my needs, it's not going to move. I'll put a link in the description.